It is yet another windy day across Western New York, and we're going to get right to the latest numbers on power outages in the 8 counties of Western New York. Many people are still in the dark this morning into the afternoon. NYSEG reports more than 14,000 customers affected, while National Grid reports more than 17,000 customers without power in our region. These numbers have improved since yesterday, but there are still a lot of people without power at this hour. Utility crews are on the job this afternoon restoring power to homes and businesses.
We have to make sure that not only we have the equipment and access to the parts, to the ability to make the repairs, which are all really at our fingertips, but it takes time.
And crews themselves, they are dealing with the rain and the strong wind as well. National Grid estimates that many people should see power restored by this evening.
This is the craziest wind storm I think I've ever seen around here.
Well, many people are saying the same thing, especially down in Dunkirk, where police say that several trees and power lines are down. Police urge you to be careful while driving this afternoon as public works crews continue to clear debris from roads. John DiTola of Dunkirk tells us a tree fell on his front lawn last night right before he left for work. He says if he left just seconds earlier, it could have hit him.
I don't think anybody can actually be prepared when a huge limb off of a silver maple that's got to be over 100 years old falls. I'm just thankful that no other trees fell on anyone's home.
Well, the wind was enough to tip over 2 tractor trailers on the thruway. No injuries were reported.